natural health for beginners.
Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on making a gentle and soothing lavender baby lotion at home. This natural recipe is perfect for your baby's sensitive skin, free from harsh chemicals, and enriched with the calming aroma of lavender. We'll guide you through each ingredient and measurement so you can create the perfect blend for your little one. Why lavender baby lotion? Lavender Essential Oil is known for its soothing and calming properties, which make it ideal for baby products. Paired with nourishing natural oils and butters, this lotion hydrates delicate skin, promotes relaxation, and ensures your baby feels pampered and loved. Ingredients. Here are the exact quantities needed to make a small batch of lavender baby lotion. 1 cup shea butter, softens and nourishes the skin. 1/4 cup coconut oil, moisturizes and protects. 1/4 cup almond oil, gentle and lightweight for sensitive skin. 1 teaspoon vitamin E oil, natural preservative and skin conditioner. 10 to 15 drops lavender essential oil, calming and fragrant. 1/4 cup distilled water, helps create the lotion consistency. 1 tablespoon beeswax pellets, for emulsifying and thickness. Equipment needed. A double boiler or heat-safe bowl and saucepan. A whisk or electric hand mixer. A sterilized glass container or lotion pump bottle. Measuring spoons and cups. Step-by-step instructions. Melt the oils and beeswax. In a double boiler, melt the shea butter, coconut oil, almond oil, and beeswax pellets over low heat. Stir occasionally to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly combined. Cool the mixture. Once melted, remove the bowl from heat and let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes. Stir in the vitamin E oil and lavender essential oil. Add the water. Gradually whisk in the distilled water while the mixture is still slightly warm. Keep stirring or use an electric mixer to blend thoroughly, creating a creamy lotion consistency. Blend and store. Continue mixing until the lotion thickens and reaches a smooth texture. Transfer the lotion into your sterilized container or pump bottle. Cooling time. Allow the lotion to set at room temperature for a few hours before use. Storage tips. Keep the lotion in a cool, dry place. Use within 3 months for optimal freshness. Benefits of this DIY lavender baby lotion. Soothing and relaxing, lavender essential oil helps calm fussy babies and improves sleep. Hydrating, shea butter and coconut oil provide deep moisture without irritation. Safe for sensitive skin, this chemical-free recipe is perfect for delicate baby skin. Eco-friendly, by making your own lotion, you reduce waste and packaging. Making lavender baby lotion at home ensures you know exactly what's going on your baby's skin. With this easy recipe, you'll create a luxurious, effective lotion that's as safe as it is calming. Give this recipe a try, and let us know how it works for your little one in the comments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more DIY skincare recipes and natural parenting tips.